Hello, and welcome to Quick Clicks. My name is Ellie, and my goal is to provide you with quick and easy shortcuts to help you with your daily computer lives. This is episode 10, How to Close an App When It's Frozen. Here I am working on a very important document, and all of a sudden it's not responding. I'm trying to click on everything and nothing's working. So, we could restart the computers, that fixes most issues, but this time I want to show you how to manually quit a frozen app. So we want to bring up something called Task Manager. To do that, you can press Control, Shift, and Escape. So Control, Shift, Escape. Here's Task Manager, and as you can see, Word is open. We can right-click it, click End Task, it's gone. And then we can open up Word again and continue working. There we go. It's working again. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I hope you learned a quick click. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all my videos and continue learning. Thanks for watching.